Dear students, in the previous session we discussed some problems that is related to the nth terms of an arithmetic progression. So what is the formula to find the nth term of an arithmetic progression? An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is a? First term. D, common difference. N, number of terms. So in this session also we are going to solve some more problems. So let us consider the first example. Check whether 301 is a term of the list of numbers 5, 11, 17, 23, so on. Understand the question correctly. So what is the question given? Check whether 301 is a term. Suppose 5, 11, 17, 23, so on. When we write the list of numbers, so is 301 is a term of this list of numbers. So how to check? Now let us consider 301 is a term of this list of number. So 5, 11, 17, 23, so on are in AP, no doubt, because the difference between a term and its preceding term is a constant. So what is the first term here? First term A equal to 5, and common difference D equal to second term minus first term, 11 minus 5 equal to 6. So what about 301? Check whether 301 is a term. Suppose 301 is a term. Say that is An. So An equal to 301. So we have to find number of terms. So what is the formula? So formula An equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula to find the nth term of an arithmetic progression or the number of terms. So now substitute the value. An is 301 equal to, so A first term is 5 plus n minus 1 into d, common difference 6. Now simplify. So 301 equal to 5 plus, so binomial, monomial. Now multiply each term of the binomial. So 6 into n, that is a 6n, plus into minus, minus, 6 into 1, 6. Now simplify. 301 equal to 6n, 5 minus 6, plus 5 minus 6 means minus 1. So minus 1, so constant term, transpose the constant term to the left hand side. 301 plus 1 equal to 6n, or 6n equal to 302. What is our aim? Find the number of terms. So therefore n equal to 302 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6 5s are 30. So 0.63 is 18. So n equal to 50.3. n equal to 50.3. What is the meaning n equal to 50.3? Number of terms is 50.3. Is it possible? No, because 301 is a term. Suppose 301 is a term of this list of number, n should be a positive integer. So but here n is not a positive integer. So that's why 301 is not a term of the list of number 5, 11, 17, 23, so on. So at last you write the sentence 301 is not a term of the list of number. Next question, find the 11th term from the last term towards the first term of the AP 10, 7, 4, so on, minus 59, minus 62. How to find the 11th term from the last term? Till now we discussed number of terms from the first term, but in this question given, find the nth term or the 11th term from the last term. Understand the question correctly. So what is the question given? Find the 11th term from the last term. From the last term, how to find the number of terms? So the first method is find the number of terms in this list of numbers. You know that 10, 7, 4, so on up to minus 62 are in AP. That is no doubt. Then find the number of terms in this AP. So this is the first method. Find the number of terms in this AP. Next find the 11th term from the last term. So that is one method. And one more method, write the given AP in the reverse order. Next find the 11th term. So see here, 10, 7, 4 up to minus 62 are in AP. Now write the given AP in the reverse order. So what happened? Minus 62, minus 59, so on, 4, 7, 10 are in AP. Minus 62, minus 59, so on up to 10 are in AP. Now find the 11th term from the first term. I think it is clear. So here first term A equal to minus 62. And a common difference D equal to second term minus 59 minus first term is minus 62. So D value minus 59 minus into minus plus 62. So equal to minus 59 plus 62, that is 3. So D value 3. Find the 11th term. So next n equal to, so n equal to 11. Why? Find the 11th term from the last term. So but given AP in the reverse order. So n equal to 11. 11th term, n number of terms 11, n equal to 11. So next write the formula. So an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute the value. an means 11th term. So A first term minus 62 plus n 11 minus 1 into D value 3. Now simplify. Minus 62 plus 11 minus 1 10 into 3. So equal to minus 62 plus 30. So equal to minus 32 plus 30 minus 32. So this is the 11th term. So find the 11th term from the last term. So but 10, 7, 4 minus up to minus 62, the reverse order minus 62, minus 59, so on 10. So from the first term, here minus 62 is the first term. So the 11th term, so 11th term is minus 32. I think it is clear. So the 11th term from the last term is minus 32. So this is one more method. So the first method is first find the number of terms in the arithmetic progression and next find the 11th term from the last term. And the second method is write the given AP in the reverse order. There is one more method. So see here, or what is the formula to find the nth term of an AP? Nth term of an AP, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That is no doubt. Nth term, a first term. First term plus common difference with respect to the number of terms. First term plus common difference with respect to the number of terms. That is the nth term. Now we can write the formula as L minus n minus 1 into d. See here, what does it indicate L? L means last term. You know that last term is denoted as an. Sometimes it is also denoted as L also. So L minus n minus 1 into d. Why? Last term minus common difference with respect to the number of terms. So that is in the from the last term. Find the 11th term from the last term. So the formula may be written as L minus n minus 1 into d. L last term, n number of terms, d common difference. Now the given AP 10, 7, 4, so on minus 62. So what is the last term? L equal to minus 62. L means the last term, L. So n number of terms, find the 11th term, n equal to 11. So what is the common difference? D equal to 7 minus 10 equal to minus 3. So equal to L last term is minus 62 minus into n number of terms 11 minus 1 into d value minus 3. So equal to minus 62 minus into 11 minus 1 10 into minus 3. Now simplify minus 62 minus into minus plus 10 into 3 30. So equal to minus 32. So this is the 11th term. So 11th term from the last term. 11th term from the last term means towards the first term. So that is the minus 32. So what is the formula? L minus n minus 1 into d. From the first term, what is the formula? A n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. From the last term, L minus n minus 1 into d. So I think it is clear. Move on to the next question. In a flower bed, there are 23 rose plants in the first row, 21 in the second, 19 in the third, and so on. There are 5 rose plants in the last row. How many rows are there in the flower bed? What is the question given? Understand the question correctly. How many rows are there in the flower bed? How many number of terms or n? In a flower bed, there are 23 rose plants in the first row. First you write the list of numbers. So in the first row, 23. In the second row, 21. In the third row, 19. So on. There are 5 rose plants in the last row. So the last term is 5. 23, 21, 19, so on up to 5. Now check whether the given list of numbers are in AP or not. How to check? The difference between a term and its preceding term is a constant. So here the difference 21 minus 23 minus 2. 19 minus 21 minus 2. Common difference is same. Hence the list of numbers are in AP. So we have to find how many rows are there in the flower bed. How many means number of terms. Now, so the 23, 21, 19, so on 5 are in AP. So in this AP, the first term A is 23. And what is the common difference? D equal to 21 minus 23. So answer minus 2. And the last term AN equal to 5. So you have to find number of terms or the number of rows. In this question, number of rows. Number of rows means that is equal to number of terms. So what is the formula? AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now substitute the values. So AN means 5 equal to A first term 23 plus n minus 1 into D. D means a common difference minus 2. Now simplify. So 5 equal to 23 minus 2 into n. Minus 2 into n minus 2n. So minus into minus plus 2 into 1 2. So 5 here 23 and 2 constant term. Now add the constant term 23 plus 2 25 minus 2n. Transpose the constant term to the left hand side. 5 minus 25 equal to minus 2n. 5 minus 25 minus 20 equal to minus 2n. We have to find the value of n. So therefore n equal to minus 20 minus 2. 2 ones are 2 tens are. So therefore n equal to 10. So what is the question? How many rows are there in the flower bed? So therefore number of rows equal to 10 or there are 10 rows are there in the flower bed. Go through the next question. The sum of the 4th and the 8th terms of an AP is 24 and the sum of the 6th and 10th terms is 44. Find the first 3 terms of the AP. Understand the question correctly. What is the question given? Find the first 3 terms of the AP. Which are the 3 terms of the AP? Just recall the general form of the AP. A plus D, A plus 2D, so on. So these are the first 3 terms A, a plus d, a plus 2d are the 3 terms. So how to write the 3 terms? We need the value of a as well as d, first term as well as the common difference. So for the examination point of view, so this question is important for 4 marks. Now with respect to the condition given, you find the value of a as well as d. What is the condition given? The sum of the 4th and the 8th terms of an AP is 24, first condition. And the second condition, the sum of the 6th and the 10th terms is 44. The sum of the 4th term, how can we write the 4th term? 4th term is A4 and 8th term A8. The sum, their sum means A4 plus A8 equal to 24. So this is the first condition. So what about the second condition? The sum of the 6th and the 10th terms. So sum of the 6th term is written as A6 and the 10th term A10. So their sum A6 plus A10 equal to 44. So these are the conditions. With respect to these conditions, we find the value of a as well as a d. Then write the AP or the first 3 terms of the AP. Which are the 3 terms of the AP? A plus d and a plus 2d. Now solve these two. So A4 plus A8. What is the meaning A4? 4th term. So 4th term A plus 3d plus A8. 8th term is A plus 7d equal to 24. So A plus A, like terms. You know that like terms can be added or the subtracted. So A plus A, 2A plus 3D plus 7D, 10D equal to 24. Is there any common term in this equation? 2A plus 10D plus 24. 2 is the common term. So divide throughout by the equation 2. So divide by 2. So we get A plus 5D equal to 12. Let it be equation number 1. So I think it is clear. So A plus 5D equal to 12, first equation. In the same way, the second condition A6 plus A10 equal to 44. 6th term, how can we write the 6th term? 6th term A plus 5D plus 10th term A10. 10th term means A plus 9D equal to 44. So A plus A, 2A plus 5D plus 9D, that is 14D equal to 44. Any common term? 2A, 14D, 44. 2 is the common term. Now divide throughout by the equation by 2. So divide by 2. So A plus 7D equal to 22. So equation number 2. A plus 7D equal to 22. Now equation 1, A plus 5D equal to 22, 11, 12. So A plus 7D equal to 22. So these are the simultaneous equations. Now solve this equation and we get the value of A as well as D. So equation 1, A plus 5D equal to 12. Equation number 1. And next equation 2, A plus 7D equal to 22. Now solve these two equations, pair of linear equation, by the method is known as elimination method. So eliminate any one of the variable, either A or D. Look at the coefficient. So here coefficient is 1, here also coefficient is 1. So eliminate any one of the variable. So A, here also A. Now subtract 1 minus 2. So at that time the sign becomes changes. So minus, here plus becomes minus, here also plus becomes minus. Plus A minus A, plus A minus A 0, plus 5D minus 7D, that is a minus 2D equal to. So 12 minus 22, answer minus 10. Now find the value of D. So D equal to minus 10 divided by minus 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are. So D equal to 5. So this is the value of the common difference. So D equal to 5. Just to recall the 3 terms of the AP. A plus D, A plus 2D. D equal to 5. Now how to find the first term or A? Now substitute the value of D equal to 5 in any one of the equation, either 1 or 2. So now consider the first equation, A plus 5D equal to 12. Now substitute the value. So A plus 5 into D value 5, so equal to 12. So A plus 5 into 5, 25 equal to 12. So 25 is a constant term, transpose to the right hand side. So A equal to 12 plus 25 becomes a minus 25. So A equal to minus 13. So this is the value of the first term, minus 13. Now what is the question given? Find the first three terms of the AP. So therefore the AP is, therefore the AP first three terms, A plus D, A plus 2D. Now substitute the value. A equal to minus 13. Here A plus D, minus 13 plus D value. So D value 5 equal to minus 13 plus 2 into 5. Now simplify. Minus 13 minus 5 minus 13 plus 5 minus 8. Minus 13 plus 2 into 5, 10. So therefore the AP minus 13, minus 8, minus 13 plus 10, minus 3 are in AP. So minus 13, minus 8, minus 3. So here the common difference is 5. Common difference 5. So the first term is minus 13. So therefore the first three terms of the AP, minus 13, minus 8, minus 3. Students, practice such type of the problems and we'll continue in the next class. Thank you one and all.